I'm here to talk to you about 9Spokes Track. Open data and open banking present a powerful tool for banks, and as well as an opportunity. An opportunity to engage with their customers, an opportunity to build business with their customers, and potentially to even save money along the way. We all like that, right? My name is Tom Barron. I'm the head of partnerships at 9Spokes, and here at 9Spokes, we have created a product called 9Spokes Track, which I will show you in a second. And 9Spokes Track basically is a demonstration as a full embedded product, a financial platform that embeds directly into the digital business banking channel of your bank, so of the business banking portal. For the demonstration, think of 9Spokes as a bank because it's a demonstration, and for me, think of me as the small business customer. I hope you can get to see it on the screen. There we go. Thanks. All right, so there are three elements to Track. There are banking, there are connect, and there's cash flow, and I'll show you all three. Now, the beauty and the power of Track is that it allows you to basically pull in a bank's API and embed all of these different features so that the small business customer can experience them, specifically cash flow. So the first thing, when we came to banking, we decided to create Bankboard because we noticed that a lot of different of our bank customers were sitting on all of these piles of data, and they didn't really have any place to visualize them or to display them. So right here, we have the idea of Bankboard. Bankboard pulls in your direct APIs. It pulls in 24 months of data. We can pull in credit data, debit data, and merchant data. Now, let's say as a bank, you don't actually have an API, and that is totally fine. We connect with all of the major open banking applications, and let's say as a user, end user like myself, I would go ahead and I said, I have also a bank account, but I would have a bank account with another bank. I'd go ahead and click connect. And then whatever that banking application has and whatever providers participate into that, I would then see all of that, and I could connect to my second or my third financial institution. While we're in Connect, I wanted to show you our second feature, which is our marketplace. Our marketplace works twofold. So the marketplace is an area for me as a small business customer to potentially see all of the different applications, discover them, and connect all of the third-party applications that I use to run my business. On top of that, as you, the bank, you will be able to see all of the different applications that your customers are connecting to from a third-party perspective. You'll be able to put in and highlight partnerships and even cross-sell your own products. Now, just to show you how this feature would be enabled, let's say I was to use QuickBooks. I'll go ahead and I'll say connect to QuickBooks. I will go ahead and read some of the terms. I'll click connect. The magic of the demo, because of timing, I already put in my username and passcode, but you will have to do that. And then this is the most important part. You're going to go ahead and you're going to actually read the terms and conditions. This is where the user would then go ahead and say, I actually permit my data back to the bank. More importantly, I permit my data back to myself. I'll click connect, and I will hit submit. It will populate. So from there, you can interact with the data. You can move the data as a small business customer. There's different tiles and graphs. As the customer brings in more data, or more applications, I should say, they can then organize it. So you'd see it here on the left side. You'll see accounting or marketing, product. And they can also mix and match all of these and start creating their own boards. So they can look at boards that are life cycles of their business, like finance team leads or VC board meeting monthly, which we all know we have those sometimes, right? So now, as a user and as a bank, from Bankboard, we've seen a current cash position, and from our Connect, we've seen all of the different supplemental applications that then support or can inform that cash position. Our final feature that I want to show you is cash flow. Right? The idea that the small business customer can now also look forward, look into the future. And because this is enabled by your own APIs, this is a feature that now you can now offer your business customers. And again, if you don't have a API, then we can connect to a third-party application. We can even connect to QuickBooks, or we can connect to all three and give one magic truth. So just to show you a bit of the features here. Users, as you saw from Connect, can connect all of their different applications. They can connect all of their different accounts, I should say. That could be a loan account, a credit card account, business account, and you can toggle between them. So you can see which data pieces that you'd like to see. You can toggle between the day and the week and the month. So you'll see that. Right up top, you'll be able to see different insights. You'll be able to see all of the insights at a quick glance. So if I could look at my cash flow, I could look at what's outflow, what happened the past 7 days, and maybe there's 7 minutes, 7.1% from last week, per se. I can hover over some of the graphs, interact with them. Our product is in market. It's very mobile friendly. About 85% of our users are mobile, so these are all kind of mobile responses. I can see the breakdown of that. And the most important part of cash flow is that I can edit in real time. I can add a projection. I can add a projection in if I want to maybe go to my relationship manager and say, listen, I think that I might be buying a pizza oven, or I might be thinking about potentially taking out a loan. What would that look like? And I can put that projection in here. I'll just go ahead and show you that real quick. Let's say I'm going to take out a loan for $333,000 because I have great credit. And I'll just put in the date. Again, allowing the user to now, and as you can see, there you go. The increase went up. So now you can see that the user is now really interacting and having a really proactive conversation. All of this information can get pushed back to the bank so we can have really great conversations with our customers through the relationship manager. This brings me to the end of my demonstration. Most of our banks want to offer these features, but they take either months to build, they take years, sometimes it even takes millions of resources. Track is quick to implement and quick to go to market. Some of the successes that some of the top 10 banks that we already have in market see successes in retention, a decrease in cost to serve, an increase in product sales, and even RM productivity. If you'd like to know more, I will be outside in the demo booth. I would like to thank Finovate for having us. And if you really liked the demo with 0 seconds, vote for us for Best in Show. Thank you so much. Have a great day.